students, I hope my dear children are doing absolutely great. So listen, there is a very important update, a good update as well for everyone who was planning to take up KC30 course. So don't miss out on this information. That is KC30, which is a 30-day online crash course, will be having a 500 rupees off as of now. It's for a limited time period. If you are someone who is planning to take it up, make sure you take it up right now itself. Listen, the classes have already started from 21st of March. And today we are starting on 1st of April. That means more or less 9 days are already gone, right? I will not recommend you to take it up later on because it will be too late. There is no point of taking a test, a crash course later on. You have to be sure about your preparation. You have to start it early. And if you're still wandering around thinking which course is the best, this is something that you can utilize for yourself. What are you going to get over here? Whole 11th and 12th syllabus coverage will be there for all the subjects, for example physics, chemistry as well as mathematics. All the chapters one shot of PU1 and PU2, and also the PYQ lectures are being given to you. In the case of biology, PU1 certain important chapters one shot will be there, but all the other chapters PYQs definitely are there. For PU2, all these chapters one shot as well as the PYQ lectures are there. Now apart from it, listen to me, the PYQs, the second PUC PYQs are also given to you in test format, such that you can give the test and see how well are you doing with the timer and everything out there. And this gives you an idea of how exactly the exam works also. And there will be 10 full-length KCET mock test also additionally given to you in this particular course. So KC30 is now available with a 500 rupees off. But if at all you are planning to take it up, please understand that over here you have to use this coupon code. So it is 500 off KC30. If there is anyone who is planning, you can go ahead with this. The reason why we are, so there might be some children who might think I should have taken it up right now. I would have got 500 off. Listen to me very carefully. So those of you who have taken, you have got 9 days extra, or basically 10 days of extra preparation. You have started off early. You are good in in a stable phase. For children who are going to join now, you obviously need to put in a bit more efforts. That is more clear. I'm pretty sure that is clear to you, right? Yes, that is a factual thing. Obviously, that is not something that I can hide, okay, or I should be hiding. That's something factual. So if you are someone who is planning to take up KC30 crash course, I am asking you, I'm suggesting you, please take it right now. Do not delay it further, otherwise there is no point of taking it. And there is a 500 off as well. Please take it up as soon as possible. I hope that helps, and I wish you all the best. Please take care of yourself and be connected. Ask us your doubts. And by the way, in KC30 there will be every single day that you will be having a live doubt solving session by one teacher. So suppose today is physics, tomorrow will be chemistry, day after tomorrow will be mathematics, after that there will be bio. So that is how it goes. Every single day one teacher will be coming, solving each and every doubt, then only they go. Okay, so that is also there. So wishing you all the best. Please take care of yourself and see you really soon. Bye-bye.